Imagine ou reme yon fi e pou pa konn ki kesyon pou pose l pou fè konversasyon vin pi interesan. Ebe pa inketo nou loverboy. Vin debloko a 5 bel kesyon ki kapab edo konnen l pi bien e pi kreye plis koneksyon emosyonel e pi fè louvri kel avro. Rete avem jist nan fin video a. Sou nouvo sou chen sa, isi a nou valide sédiksyon, relasyon fi ak gason. Sou reme tip video sa yo, abone ak chen nan e pi aktive kloch la pou pa rate an yin sou nouvo video pral vini yo.
I finally know how to live without hurting myself. I think that I am moving on cause I do feel less broken. I needed a sign, and this is a sign that I'm healing. I'm finally healing from you. I'm finally healing from you. Mistakes, don't mean to come off hardy. I'm just an imperfect person in this imperfect world. But I'm learning my way under this maze that I'm running through now, and I